Hi everyone, this is Kristen from the Teaching Zoo, and today I'm going to show you how to apply a decal by using transfer tape. So first you lay the transfer tape on the decal and press firmly. It should lift right off. Then you're going to apply it to the surface that you'd like to have the decal stuck to. You have to push kind of firmly to get it to remove itself from the transfer tape. I did have a little difficulty with this particular decal, so I just kept rubbing. And then you peel slowly with the transfer tape and it does come off. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the next decal, which I pushed a little firmly in the beginning so it came off easier when I was transferring it. So you're going to do the same steps, put the transfer tape on, rub and peel off, and then you're going to again find your surface. I actually find that if you trace the letters of the decal that it seems to stick a little bit better. So that's what I did with this one. And then I just peeled it right off and then you're done.